Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix WIX website not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering why your WIX website here is not working properly. So there are going to be multiple reasons why your website might not be working properly, but I'll be discussing with you the best things that you can do here to probably fix these issues that you might be encountering. So in this case, the first thing you want to do here is you want to make sure that your Wix website is actually published. So you want to go ahead and go to wix.com, log into your account, access your Wix website, and you want to make sure that you've actually have this or you've actually have the website published. Now, if you've previously unpublished your website, that might be the problem. That's why you're having problems with your website. Just click on publish at the top right here. As you can see, there's an unpublished site option. But yeah, just go ahead and publish this website and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you might want to look into here is you want to make sure that your browser is actually up to date, and also you might want to clear some files here. So at the top right of the screen, you want to go and click on three dot option here, and you want to go and go to settings. Now, to update your browser, you want to go to the About Chrome here. So this depends on your browser, but in my case, since I'm using Google Chrome, I just need to go to About Chrome here or to the About section, and it will automatically update itself. Now, another thing you could do here is to basically relaunch your browser here once it's actually updated. Now, in the privacy and security section here, you could go to the delete browsing data, and you could go and deselect browsing history and just select cookies and other site data and cache image and files. Now you could select last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or 4 weeks. But I would suggest you to select 4 weeks here and click on delete data, basically clearing your cache files and your cookies and other site data. So this will actually clear or solve a lot of issues, especially if you're encountering problems with loading your website. Now, another thing you could do here, just to make sure that your website is working properly, not just because of your browser, is to access your website via incognito. Usually at the top right of the screen, you have the three dot option. Click on New Incognito window. And from here, just go ahead and enter the website address for your Wix website. And from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.